In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Facebook account on desktop. So what you need to do is go to facebook.com on a web browser and then log into your account. Once you've logged in, you can go to your profile icon in the top right hand corner. From here, you can then click Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings and it will open up your settings dashboard. From here, you can go to the Meta Accounts Center. Once you've clicked on that, you can then go to Personal Details. And here you'll see account ownership and control. You can go ahead and click on that. Here you'll see deactivation or deletion. Click on that and then choose the account you want to delete. Then you can choose if you want to deactivate or delete. If you check delete, it will be permanent. And when you delete your account, your profile will be permanently deleted. If you want to continue with that, check it, click continue. It's going to give you the rundown, click continue again, and then enter your password once more and your account will be permanently deleted.